What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. Thanks again for stopping by Not Your Father's Capital. Let's talk some ADA Cardano in this video. Let's get into it, guys, because we've seen some very interesting things with the charts, and I'm going to break it down for you guys in this video. Make sure you guys all stick around to the end. Please absolutely subscribe as well if you have not yet already done so. But I appreciate you guys all being part of Not Your Father's Capital, and let's get down into the news, guys. All right, so what we're seeing is an interesting level of support that we've landed upon, okay? And everybody's been, up in arms about Cardano. What's going on with ADA? Why aren't we seeing the price impact? Altcoins are running. Where is Cardano going? All right. So I hope this video kind of alleviates some of your concerns, guys. I speak to you guys as a holder of Cardano, one of my biggest holdings, if not the biggest right now, as we currently are standing in 2024. But let's get down into it. And as always, not financial advice. So when I talk crypto, talk finance, please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. All right. But let's get into it. And we're seeing some support when we talk about the levels that we are at right now within Cardano at these levels, okay? So we're currently at that around 54 cents mark as it relates to Cardano, but we've been there and landing on this 50-day moving average, okay? Now, obviously, when we look into this 50-day moving average, this is something where it's been a solid support level for ADA, and holding above that 50-day is what we look for when we get into a possible bullish reversal pattern, okay? Now, that's something we'd like to see in the next coming weeks or so within Cardano and a little bit of a stabilization within this heavy volatility that we've had from the Bitcoin spot ETF. And basically, a lot of the altcoins kind of just in this flux, if you will, where they don't know really how to respond, how to behave. And it's funny because we've seen some of the Ethereum-based altcoins as well as some of the main movers that we cover in the altcoin sphere basically have a day on the charts. Now, that was something that was shocking because Bitcoin really hasn't had the response that we've wanted. It's actually having a little bit of a pullback, to be honest. So this analysis into where Cardano's headed is more so an indication of Cardano's strength around this support level above the 50-day moving average in specific, okay? And that's something where, guys, as we're trading Cardano, if you guys are traders, if you're hodlers, you can't ignore it either way, because when we look into how we're entering a bull market, this is something where it could become very attractive to buy Cardano at these levels, all right? Signaling another rally, so on and so forth. We're going to get into the chart here in just a bit. I'm going to show you guys a little bit what I'm talking about. But this is where you just indicate more so what Cardano is doing within their ecosystem, right? Robust development. It's really much going to be one of the fascinating cryptos, I believe, in the next coming years, guys. Firmly believe in it, and that's just kind of what it comes down to. I've believed in it since the previous bull cycle, before that, and up until this current day. So it's something where I continue to accumulate Cardano, and so when I'm going to continue to cover it on the channel for you guys, we have to really understand where we're headed and what these support levels are doing when we have a lot of things changing within the market, within the sentiment within the market. But that's why we're going to get into the TA, look a little bit into the trading view as we talk about Cardano. And this is that consolidation that we've wanted to see, guys. Like I was saying, around that 54 cents, that moving average for the 50-day, that's where we look into Cardano, and we're seeing this consolidation very nice around these levels, okay? You can't really cut it any way different. This is exactly what we want to see, the sideways action, right? You're either going to break down or break through these lines, and that's what's going to come down to the more broader sentiment, okay? But if you've seen me use these tools before, you've seen these boxes around the chart, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But this is my indicator XT algo. I use it. I trade with it. It's something that absolutely works. No sales pitch required. I truly believe in it. And if you guys are into the more day-to-day trading, check out the link down below in the description, xtalgo.com. There's a 20% off promo code, NYFC, using my link, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, it doesn't work, you hate it, no questions asked. But you can see right here, guys, this is what I use. I have alerts set up on my phone, and I trade it with certain cryptos, all right? And certain cryptos in certain market trends is where I look to use an indicator, and kind of gives me a guiding light, I should say. It's not a crystal ball, but a guiding light. Let's put it that way. But right here, you can see, guys, around the 50 cents level, a momentum up flash. So I would have got a notification on my phone. I would have started buying Cardano at this level. And look at this green trend, guys. We had a possible retracement down, did not really happen, got a little bit of a blip, and then a possible retracement down as we continued to ascend above 60 cents, above 61 cents, and not seeing the momentum down close until about 59 cents. So guys, if you were using this indicator, the way you have to understand is the time periods can vary, but within this ruler, I'm going to measure it out for you guys. Roughly about 15% in gains in less than 24 hours. You can't ignore that. It's a, everybody has their own goals and strategies within trading crypto, their financial goals, obviously. So do your own research, but check it out. Link down below in the description, xtalgo.com. It simply works, and I use it pretty much every single day. So good stuff coming for Cardano in 2024. I appreciate you guys all being part of the channel. Make sure you guys are all firmly subscribed down below, as well as following me on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen, but I want to thank you guys once more, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.